I'm Nick with M. Rivera Construction, and we are here on the site of the future home of the Cleveland Clinic Global Peak Performance Center, a Whiting-Turner project that is shaping the next chapter of Cleveland's growth. Along with giving Cleveland Cavalier players a state-of-the-art training facilities, the center will also be open to the public, which is a powerful investment in the future of Cleveland and all the people who call it home. For this project, we utilized about 5,700 linear feet of WebRail to secure the whole perimeter. It is installed on 3 floors of the building out of the 4. We used the chain installation method to secure the WebRail posts to the steel columns. We were able to begin installing the WebRail basically as soon as the concrete was poured. This saves a few hours per large section over the traditional method of installing 2x4s, which takes a tremendous amount of time. We've had the system in place for about 8 months now. Its durability really stands out, even after months of rain, snow, sunlight, debris from the job. It still performs really well. It's a long-term solution that we now know we can depend on. It's nice we can clip 2 workers in each post with 4 workers secured per span of webbing, providing the OSHA-certified edge and fall protection. And we plan to reuse about all of it on our next job site. Tide-On has been great to work with. They provided us with the perimeter layout and have been responsive throughout the build. They were here in the very beginning to give us a demo, answer any questions we have about how it works, how to set it up. We would recommend working with WebRail and definitely use this product again.